Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, it's worm week. So I have these, well, I don't know if these are worms or snakes or whatever they are, but I bought a bunch of them. And so we're going to be using them to create some little, oh, I don't like them. We're going to be using them to create some little DIYs for the upcoming holiday. I don't particularly celebrate with gross stuff, but I just wanted to have a little fun. I always see these and they're quick, they're easy. So I have this nice silver, and if you saw my earlier DIY, you saw that I made these little napkin rings here. And now we're going to take this silver book. Again, this is all from the Dollar Tree. This is a beautiful little journal. There's so much you can do with these, but I wanted to just take a little bit of the black acrylic paint here, and I'm really going to dry brush it because I only want to give it a little bit of creepiness. Gonna kind of go around the edging. Just like that. Don't worry about how it looks entirely. We're just kind of giving it a little bit of creepiness around these edges. I like to have a little bit darker, and then we'll go, it's just giving it a kind of old, like an old book kind of feel. You could do the whole thing if you want. I'm only doing the front. We got that real dark, and then I'm just gonna kind of go along. This side just to darken it up a little bit and not make it so shiny. Give it a little bit of dusty, dirty. So there you go. You could see the difference from pristine, shiny to kind of oldie, weathered look. So we've got our heat gun going. And we're just going to kind of, I think I like that. I'm going to put this right along here. Be careful not to get yourself. There we go. And the little tail is hanging off. The little back is hanging off a little there. And then we'll go ahead and get this side as well. This is really creepy. But I know a lot of you guys asked me for Halloween. Again, this is out of my real Halloween zone because I don't particularly decorate hard. I have a couple pumpkins and stuff like that. That's really my extent, more of a harvest, but that's okay. I know a lot of you like to do this. And I'll be sending this one to one of you beauties I already had said I was going to. So you know who you are. And I think I'm going to go just like that. Have his tail hanging out. Oh, this is really gross. Not real sure I love it. In fact, I'm real sure I don't love it. If you don't love it, give me a thumbs up. So that is gonna be it. Just some glue. Man, these little worms or snakes or whatever they are really don't. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you could see. Oh, I don't know how much I love it. I'm really sure that I don't. But there it is. I think now that I'm looking, I forgot to do this little spine here. But you could, if you wanted to, I'm just putting some black on here, but you could have left it and had like, with a Sharpie, put somebody's name or name the book, something, whatever you'd like. I know a lot of people like to put like spells or stuff like that. That's just not for me, but if you like that, feel free to do it. Just write whatever you'd like with a Sharpie, a black Sharpie marker that you could also get at the Dollar Tree. Alrighty, I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. I am getting black and dirty here all over the place, but I still have a couple more of these creepy crawly DIYs, and so if you want to see it, make sure you subscribe somewhere around here. All right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later.